feature-packed browser out there was created by Opera's former CEO. We're talking about Vivaldi Browser. And after tons of requests, I'm giving you a lightning-fast tour of why this might be the best browser you're not using. Hey everyone, welcome to SoftwareHope. If this sounds interesting, smash that like button and let's dive in. Vivaldi comes from Norway, built by people who actually know browsers. It's free for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Download it from their site or your app store. When you open Vivaldi, you get the Speed Dial, your most visited sites in one place. Click Add Speed Dial at the bottom, paste any website address, give it a name, and you're done. To remove sites, just hit the minus icon. Super simple. The Start page also has a dashboard with customizable widgets. Click Add Widget and choose from about a dozen options. You can access bookmarks, history, notes, and if you use their built-in calendar and mail, those too. Here's what most people don't know. Vivaldi blocks web trackers that spy on you online. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, scroll to Tracker and Ad Blocking, choose No Blocking, Block Trackers, or Block Trackers and Ads. Your choice, your privacy. Tab stacking lets you group tabs together. Just drag tabs over each other and release. They stack up below. To unstack, right-click and select Unstack Tabs. Tab tiling is even cooler. View multiple tabs side by side in one window. Click Page Tiling, perfect for research or comparing sites. Click Page Tiling again and select Untile Tabs when you're done. You can pin important tabs to keep them visible. Set tabs to auto-reload every minute or two, perfect for sites that time out. Here's the game changer, tab hibernation. Got 50 tabs open? Right-click any tab, select Hibernate Background tabs, and they'll stop using memory but stay available. Click them and they reload instantly. Move tabs to any side of your browser, top, bottom, left, right. Control where new tabs open, where buttons appear on tabs. Everything's customizable. Planning a trip with multiple travel sites open? Hold Control or Shift, select the tabs you want, right-click, and choose Save Selected Tabs as Session. Name it and hit Save. Later, go to File menu, select Open Saved Session, pick your session, click Open. All your tabs come back exactly as you left them. Turn on tab thumbnails for visual previews of your open tabs. Go to Settings, then Tabs, scroll to Tab Display, enable Show Tab Thumbnails, drag between thumbnails and address bar to resize them. Vivaldi includes a free VPN from Proton VPN, one of the best VPN services available. Click VPN in the upper right, sign up for a Vivaldi or Proton account, then click Connect. This is a real VPN that hides your IP address and encrypts your traffic. Your internet provider can't see what you're doing. The free version picks the country for you, but it's solid protection. Don't like how it looks? Change everything. In Settings, under Appearance, switch between light, dark, or auto modes. The theming is incredible. Set custom colors, adjust corner radius to make things more or less rounded. Use accent colors that change based on websites you visit. Have different themes for light and dark modes. Browse built-in themes or click Get More Themes for tons more options. Download any theme and it applies instantly. The left panel gives quick access to bookmarks, downloads, history, and more. Want it on the right? Go to Settings, Panel, select Right Side. Assign keyboard shortcuts to practically anything in the browser. Go to Settings, then Keyboard. There are categories of actions you can customize. Mouse gestures are amazing. Set custom mouse movements to close tabs, open new tabs, navigate back and forward. Everything's customizable to match how you work. The screenshot tool is fantastic. Click Capture Page next to the tiling icon, save as PNG or JPEG, copy to clipboard, or save as notes. Capture full pages or select specific areas. Reader View strips away ads and clutter for clean reading. Click Reader View next to the address bar. Customize font type, size, spacing, and themes. Pop-out video works on any video. Click the little icon to float videos in their own window while you work on other stuff. Add articles to read later using the reading list in the side panel. Click the plus icon to add pages. Come back anytime to read them. Right-click to mark as read or remove items. Notes are built right in. Jot down thoughts while browsing and access them from the side panel. Web panels load your favorite sites in the sidebar using mobile versions. They look like phone apps. I have Gmail and Twitter set up. Click Gmail to check email without opening new tabs. Same with Twitter. Right-click any page and select Add Page to Web Panel to add sites. Since Vivaldi runs on Chromium, all your Chrome extensions work perfectly. Go to the drop-down menu, hover over Tools, select Extensions, then Chrome Web Store. Install any extension you want. Vivaldi gives you everything Chrome does. Websites render perfectly, extensions work great, but with massive customization that other browsers can't match. It's perfect for power users who want their browser to work exactly how they think. That's Vivaldi, the most customizable browser you can get. If this was helpful, hit that thumbs up and share it with others. What feature impressed you most? Drop a comment below. New to SoftwareHope? Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our latest software discoveries and tech tips.